The satin stitch is pretty simple to watch being made, but can be one of the most challenging stitches. Here I will show you how to deal with the satin stitch if it had to be worked on a circle. Start by making the longest stitch across the middle of the circle, dividing it into two portions. Now we will deal with each portion at a time. I pick the right side first to divide it further into more equal portions. Then I deal with each little portion by filling them up with straight stitches adjacent to each other. The challenge in the stitch is to keep the edges neat, and there are a few tricks to it, but that is for another video. Now move to the next portion. I do the same. The reason why we work in smaller portions is A, so that it is easier to deal with, and B, as we keep working the satin stitch, the stitches tend to pick an angle, which can be kept in check if we lay straight stitch as guides. Here you see that my stitch started to angle, but I can correct it and avoid further angled stitches because of the earlier stitch. Another way to fill a portion is to keep dividing the space into smaller and smaller halves, like I'm trying to do in this small portion. The satin stitch looks pretty neat on this side. I will now move to the next side to do exactly the same and complete my circle. Remember that satin stitch works best when the longest stitch is not more than 1.5 centimeters. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.